It's time to have your say about how Wales is run.
So on the 7th of May, remember to go out and vote.
Here's your quick guide on everything you need to know about voting in the Senedd election.
Mae gorsafoedd pleidleisio ar agor o 7 o'r gloch y bore tan 10 o'r gloch y nos ar y 7th o Fai. Does dim angen i chi mynd a'ch cerdyn pleidleisio na'ch cerdyn ID efo chi.
When you get to the polling station, you'll be given a ballot paper. You'll be asked to put one cross next to the name of one party or one independent candidate. If you've registered for a postal vote but haven't sent it back in time, you can bring it with you to the polling station on polling day.
Gan fod y system pleidleisio yn newid, bydd pob pleidlais yn cyfri. Yn y Senedd nesaf, byddwch yn cael eich cynrychioli gan 6 aelod seneddol, a byddwn y mwy na thebyg yn dod o fwy nag un blaid.
The Senedd makes decisions about your education, health, housing, transport, the Welsh language, our culture and more. So there's a lot at stake.
If you want to live in a united Cymru, where our leaders work together to make sure we all have decent jobs, homes we can afford and a good future for our children,
Get out and vote on the 7th of May.